Oh my god, Caddy just got a strike right there. Oh. Window Vista for the clutch. Another one. Never mind. Will he get the spare? No. Oh, will Window Vista get it? No, never mind. He only gets one. Alright. See if he gets the spare. Nice. Alright. Ooh. Go strong, but unfortunately weak pin action. Okay, let's see if Sprinkle Kid gets it. Ooh. Very strong one right there. That was a strike. A beautiful one, in fact. A split, though. How about this one? Oh. Beautiful strike right there. Oh my god. 9 pins right there. 9 pins. Will he get the spare? No. Oh, he actually does. Ooh, not too bad. This one. 1 pin left, actually. Beautiful. Let's see if he gets the spare. Oh, nice. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe, like, comment down below what I should do next for KPL. Goodbye.